Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to limit number of characters in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. Let's look at such a simple example. We are creating a small database. We need to find out the age of our employees and whether each employee has a car. However, there may be errors when filling in these cells. To minimize errors, we will limit the number of characters in the cells. Select the range D, go to the Data tab, then Data Validation. In the window that opens, we need Settings tab. Next, in the Allow field, we select Text Length. And then the most interesting part. In the Data field, select the Equal to option and enter a length of 2. This is logical, since the age of our employees is likely to consist of exactly 2 digits, unless of course they are school children or centenarians. In addition, you can select a certain range of characters. For example, enter from 3 to 5 characters, don't enter characters from this range, allow the number of characters not to be equal to the set value, greater than this number or less, and so on. And so that other users understand why they can enter fewer or more characters, we'll leave a message for them. You can write a message that will be displayed immediately when selecting a cell, or another message in case of an input error. Click the Error Alert tab, we'll use the style. Let's write the following in Title field: incorrect number of characters, and in the message what needs to be done. Click OK, and now when we try to enter one character or more than 2, our message will appear. Great. Second question. Do you have a car? To prevent users from entering anything unnecessary, such as the mark of the car, its condition, and so on, we will limit them to answering only yes or no. Select the range, Data Validation, select the list in the Allow field, and in the Source field specify 2 options, separated by commas: yes and no. Click OK, and now when entering the age of an employee, we will have a limit of only 2 characters, and the question about the car can be answered with yes or no. It's all. Now we know a little more. Thanks for watching.